Ladies and gentlemen, crypto aficionados of all stripes, gather round for a journey like no other. A cosmic odyssey into the heart of the crypto universe with Project Serenity. Now, I know what you're thinking, Jakes, what's the deal with this Project Serenity thing? Is it legit or just another blip on the crypto radar? Well, my friends, you're in for a treat. Because I'm about to spill the beans on this game-changing cryptocurrency trading course that's gonna blow your mind. Picture this, you're standing at the edge of a digital abyss, with cryptocurrencies swirling around you like twinkling stars in the night sky. You feel the rush of excitement tingling in your veins as you take your first steps into the unknown. That's what Project Serenity is all about. Taking you from a crypto-curious wanderer to a full-fledged crypto pioneer. So, what's the deal with Project Serenity? Buckle up, my friends, because I'm about to take you on a roller coaster ride through the cosmos of crypto education. Project Serenity, where dreams become crypto reality. First things first, let's get to know Project Serenity a bit better. This ain't your average crypto course, my friends. This is the mother of all crypto courses. An all-encompassing platform that covers everything from the basics of cryptocurrencies to advanced trading strategies and blockchain investing. We've got something for everyone here. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a wide-eyed crypto rookie. But what sets Project Serenity apart from the rest of the crypto herd? I'm glad you asked. This ain't no fly-by-night operation. We've got a team of top-notch industry experts crafting this curriculum with love and care. These folks know crypto like I know how to dodge paparazzi. And you can bet your bottom dollar that we keep this course as fresh as a newly minted Bitcoin. The crypto world moves at warp speed. And we're right there with it, updating our content to keep you in the loop. So, what's inside this magical box of crypto wisdom? Brace yourselves, my friends, because we've got video lectures, interactive quizzes, and practical exercises to make your learning experience as smooth as butter. We don't want you drifting off into space like a lost asteroid. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Crypto Trading 101, blast off to success. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. If you're a crypto greenhorn, fear not. Our Crypto Trading for Beginners section is like your very own crypto shop. We'll take you from zero to hero by introducing you to the fundamentals of cryptocurrencies. And that elusive creature known as blockchain. Trust me, understanding blockchain is like finding the secret passage to the treasure trove of crypto riches. It's the backbone of all things crypto, the technology that makes it all possible. And once you wrap your head around it, you'll feel like you've cracked the code to the crypto kingdom. But hey, we're not stopping there. Oh no, my friends, we're just getting started. For those brave souls looking to dive headfirst into the crypto whirlpool, our cryptocurrency trading section is where the real magic happens. Here, we'll show you the ropes of advanced trading techniques, chart analysis, and the art of trend spotting. It's like getting a backstage pass to the greatest show on earth. We'll delve into technical analysis, unpacking essential indicators like moving averages, RSI, and MACD. And that's not all, we'll reveal various trading strategies. From day trading to swing trading, and even long-term investing. Now, here's the real gem of Project Serenity, the blockchain investing section. Brace yourself for a cosmic explosion of knowledge as we delve into the exciting world of blockchain projects and investments. This is where you'll find the diamond in the rough and turn your crypto dreams into reality. Decentralized finance, DeFi, is all the rage these days, and we'll show you why. Get ready to witness how DeFi is reshaping the financial landscape, taking power away from the traditional financial institutions and giving it back to the people. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. We'll walk you through the risks involved in crypto investing, making sure you've got your space helmet on tight as you venture into this brave new world. Risk management and the mindset of a crypto maverick. Now, listen up, my fellow cosmic travelers. Successful trading ain't just about charts and indicators. It's also about keeping your emotions in check and mastering the psychology of trading. In our risk management and psychology of trading section, we'll be your intergalactic guides to developing the discipline and mindset required for long-term success. You'll learn how to set stop loss and take profit levels, as well as position sizing to protect your precious crypto stash. We'll even tackle the common pitfalls that can trip up any trader, and show you how to overcome the emotional roller coaster that comes with crypto trading. The epic voyage through Project Serenity. Alright, my cosmic comrades, now's the time to put all this knowledge to the test. Think of it as your very own crypto mission to the moon. With live trading sessions, simulated exercises, and real-time market analysis, you'll be ready to take on the crypto galaxy like a seasoned space explorer. Enroll in Project Serenity, launching your crypto adventure. You've made it this far, and I gotta say, I'm impressed. You're a crypto warrior in the making. Now, you're probably wondering how to hop on this rocket ship of knowledge. Fear not, my friends, enrolling in Project Serenity is as easy as pie. Just head on over to our website, sign up, and prepare to blast off on the adventure of a lifetime. So, my fellow crypto voyagers, you've taken the first step toward mastering the art of cryptocurrency trading and blockchain investing with Project Serenity. By joining this stellar community of passionate traders and investors, you're paving the way for a brighter financial future. Boost profits with Project Serenity by clicking the link below. Before I sign off, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. We've got a galaxy of crypto insights coming your way, and you won't want to miss a single one. Until next time, may the crypto force be with you, and happy trading.